Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Stock Market Jimmy. Just doing a quick video for you guys in pre-market. Just letting you guys know which which stocks I'm going to be loading up on. So this is Nano Nuclear Energy. It's NNE. All right. So if we look at this chart right here, you had a 1 year 1893. So basically, you call it $19 low for the year. High is almost 61, and you're talking about nuclear energy. This is going to be, in my personal opinion, this is going to be a market right here where a lot of big money will go into this. So I do expect this to do really well. Now it is down right now a little bit in the pre-market, 23.30, but we still got a whole 2.5 hours before the market opens. Anything can change. Look for this one. If you see this one dip, I personally will be loading up on this one. I do already own it, but I will be buying more shares if I see this dip. Okay, let's take a look at another one on my radar. Also, as what was it? I think it was yeah, PayPal is getting to the point where it's getting close to that 39 again. And if you look at it, that was like the lowest that it hit in a year was the 38.46, and the high is 79.50. I still believe that PayPal will make a move back up. So anything around this range, I'm adding shares. So I'm not afraid of that. I know it hasn't been performing well, but those are the opportunities. Okay, now this one was one that I was up about $4 grand. I could have taken the profits. Normally I do take profits. In this particular case, I did not. This is ALOY. This is a play that I really like here. Let's see at the 1 year. So this one here ranges from $7.40 on a 1 year low all the way to 26.89. So you've got a right in the center of a decent buy. So I don't think that this amount of what it's going for right now, and you got a nice down 4% right now in pre-market. If it remains around that 4%, I'm definitely going to have to load up on this, okay? Because at this price mark, this particular company is in a really, really good situation to do well here by January of 2027. So I would not be surprised if this thing gets back to that 26 range by January. All right, so I'm loading the boat on this one as it dips. Remember, I was already up about $4 grand. I did not sell it. All of the money that I was up came crashing back down as it went down 12%. That's about what I was up. So, you know, it's no big deal because I'm kind of looking more to hold this one until it gets up to that 24 range. I'm looking to double my money on this one, okay? Now, that doesn't mean that I can't sell it for, you know, 5, 6, 7,000 profit. I'll play it by ear. Okay, let's take a look. Now, I noticed that SoundHound is down in pre, and it really crashed a lot. It went down to 6.28%. Now, I had sold my position on this, and I made some profit, but I did not make as what I was expecting. And right now, it's at 694. So this one, during the war of Iran, it hit 583. And then its high is 22. So now that it's at this in the low or in the high sixes, if it stays like that, I think I'm going to add some more shares. And if this gets close around to the 670 range again, which it could hit today, I'm definitely going to do a pretty good sized position on that one. Okay. Now this one, this is probably one of my favorites right here. Is this PSLV? I'm a big silver guy. So what I'm looking to do is I've already started buying this, and now here we are on another dip of 4%. So right now in pre, it's at 2019. Now, if you look, that's the lowest it's been in a while. This is a 1 month chart right here. So it's at the lowest. Silver is finally starting to dip. If I look at a 6 month chart, look where we are over here. Okay, we're really starting to get some nice pricing here. Now, to be quite honest with you, if I look at a 1 year, I really would love to get this at 16, because look, this is the $16, $17 range right here, and this is a really good price. If I'm telling you right now, this sucker gets around $18, oh man, I'm gonna be loading the boat. I'm already keep buying it, PSLV, because what I do, guys, is I'm really smart about buying physical silver. So I buy physical silver and this at the same time, and that way it gives me a hedge. So for example, my physical silver is never for sale. I don't sell my physical silver. It actually goes straight to a vault. It stays at the vault. And then what I do is I buy the PSLV to, when it dips like this, I load up the boat, and that way when silver goes back up, if this goes back up to levels like back up here at the 23.44 range, I sell my PSLV, which is the ETF, and I take that profit, and then I reduce my physical silver cost by doing so. So my silver plan is probably the most intelligent thing that I do. I've shared that with you guys before. I don't know how many of you actually took it seriously, but I'm telling you, it can change your life if you listen to me on that. This one here, I'm definitely interested in adding more shares. URG, let's take a look. It's at 152 in the pre. If this sucker continues to dip, it did hit like 140 something. Now keep in mind, this used to be 88 cents to 235. Okay, so it has a lot more room that technically it could dip to. All right, in the last month, is that $1.47? Is that $1.47? Oh yeah, that's $1.47. Okay, so let's look at a 6 month. Okay, so if you look at a 6 month, it has dipped down here at the lowest at $1.32. Okay, but there's something that you have to understand. We absolutely need uranium. We absolutely need it, guys. So I look for this type of play to do really well over the time. I still believe that that's something that could double, maybe even triple. Let's see what this is doing here. TGB, this is for copper. So you have metals going down right now. You might have a lot of people selling for profits that have been really successful. I think a lot of your AI stocks are really starting to dip right now. I mean, look at the levels of Meta. We're at 584, and now it's 582 in pre, which is no big deal. And then you have, bear with me, let's look at Amazon. Elf Beauty looks like it's starting to take off a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if Elf Beauty continues to run a little bit. I could be wrong, but I think overall it's going to run. Celsius is having some issues running. Every single time that this thing starts to make a move, it goes right back down. So it's having a really difficult time getting over the $30 range right now. Keep in mind, this sucker used to be 66, and its low is 27.47. This is a fantastic buy. This is a fantastic buy right now. This is a stock that I think will be $60 either by the end of the year or sooner or later. I expect stocks like Bloom Energy to give back a lot. I expect Amazon to give back. Now, Amazon is starting to reach levels that I'm starting to get interested in. It's at 243 in pre. I think I would be interested around 220 and start a position around 220. When we had the war going on, it hit like 197. Okay, so if you do see the war kick in, I'm going to be interested in buying oil and buying some of these AI stocks if they start dipping really, really hard. These suckers have run a lot. These AI stocks, okay, they've run a lot. Another stock that I think that is going to start to come down a little bit is CleanSpark. It's still relatively healthy at 15.97. I'm going to expect this thing to start coming down. It's at 15.63 in pre, because this is tied to Bitcoin. Even though it's going into the AI data centers, it's going to end up being something like that where they have their own power and stuff, which is great. But I do think that this is going to get back to that $12 range, maybe $13 range. So you could take advantage of that if you see that happening. Okay. All right. That's just a quick video, guys, for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed that. Listen, if you want to be a part of my Discord, I have a private Discord. You can go to stockmarketjimmy.com, become a part of our team. You can go in there. You get all of the picks every time I buy, every time I sell. Very valuable. I average at least $5,000 a week in profit, sometimes a little more. But you can see every single thing when I buy and when I sell. So come aboard, get into the group, say hi to the people that are in there. We have a stock chat room, and then we have something called Jimmy Alerts. Jimmy Alerts just sends you the picks of what I not picks, but what I actually purchase, when I buy it, how much I paid, and when I sell. Every single thing I buy and sell. So it's very valuable to get that information, okay? All right, guys, hope to see you there. And you guys hit that like button for me and support the channel. Thank you.